Yeah, yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time you check out the Chaddy Murray TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely I gonna be the first to know. So yesterday I shared a video about Skillibeng allegedly got beaten over Connecticut, USA. Well, if you are looking for that video on my channel, you will not find it because a member from Skillibeng team wouldn't necessarily say Skillibeng himself, which probably a Skillibeng himself, who to tell. But let's keep it at a member from a Skillibeng team. Strike my video. Then pull it down.
You serious?
Dead serious, my G. Dead serious. But again, it's all in the game. But then again, you know, Skilly, remember you did sing that song there where say if you want to make money, then vlog about Skilly. I'm not even going to play it because I don't want to pick up a next strike. So why you strike my channel? Jaja. So did Skillibeng really get beaten or never get beaten? Is it a rumor or what? Remember the video I shared yesterday? For those who never get to watch it, can't watch it again, Jaja. Sorry about that. But me I go share a snippet of a video that I shared yesterday with a man talking. I don't know whether brother your name, but him a talk with some knowledge like him. They did it, even though him say him never did it. So make we hear what him have to say.
Skillibeng was supposed to be in Hartford from Friday, based up to my knowledge. Skilly never show up Friday. Him not go on a radio station. Him not do no form of promotion in the city for this side show. The artist reach after 10.
Purchase your tracks today.
Artist outside in a vehicle. Wind up in a AC, thin glass. Blah blah blah. I kill time. Right, remember you know? The man them pay him 50 grand. 50,000 for perform on the show. Now that's how him charge. Skillibeng, he young artist, him hot. Have some good song. Him forward in a vehicle after 10, show down 11 o'clock. You forward in a vehicle, sit down on an AC, decide say you Skillibeng now go in at the people in the show until a certain time. Promoter call you essay now go in a show. You're a bad man. It led to some physical situation. As we say, we don't promote violence, but me understand exactly what I want. Right? He get couple conk in the head. He get couple bucks in the face. Get what I'm saying? He get couple buckle. You get what I'm saying? The man them deal with them grimy.
So people, that's just a snippet of what that brother had to say. The video is much longer than that, but me just cut it up for you understand where the box argument really fought from. Then we start see things start circulate on the media. For example, we see Skillibeng tour bus got damaged. People, take a look. So basically, the man them just puncture the tire. I don't know why them take it out on the bus. Then we heard a voice note from Kimmy, who is a popular PR person over there in the New York, Connecticut area. People, listen to what she had to say, because she claims that she did dead end. So people, listen to what Kimmy has to say.
I want person to get boxed last night that was super fire. And they talking about Skilly got there after 10. First of all, I was the one who lead the tour bus inside the fucking club. How the fucking tour bus got there after 10? And I got the phone call around 9 something. Like, nigga that came on talking, that nigga wasn't even there. He didn't even have nothing to do with the show. Skilly did his fucking thing last night. That nigga fucked the show up. Are you crazy? That nigga should have got more than 50K. That nigga should have got 100K. Crazy? How people talking that wasn't even at the show though? That nigga looking clout like crazy. You waste your day with all lies just because you want some clout, nigga. And nobody ain't gonna follow you. You ain't getting no clout off of this shit. You think nobody could have kept Skilly under Mineral Bar's fucking label? Are you serious? Do you know who Mineral Bars is?
So as Kimmy go so booms and say, do you know who Mineral Boss is? You know some go research, cause me love do my research. Some go so booms now and go over the gram. And I found this video from Mineral Boss page, Mama T page. With Skilly coming out of a van we look similar to the van we talked about earlier on. We get puncture and get damage. People, me nah put no thoughts in on the head. You watch this video.
Is it? The Hartford, Connecticut, West Indian Social Club. Tonight, hear that headshell, gunshot, huh?
Unless me blind, or there is a lot of tour bus overseas we kind of look similar like. That look like the same tour bus to me where they get puncture. And if that is indeed the same tour bus where get puncture, that means that something did go on with Skilly and Skilly team and them thing there. No, Kimmy and say, I know Skilly get the box. Me don't know why them would say a Skilly get the box. Anyway, people, leave it in the comment section and let me know what you think about this whole saga. And just before me wrap up that topic here now, me see Johnny Wonder went live. And for those who don't know, Johnny Wonder is also a part of Skillibeng management team. And Johnny Wonder actually confirmed that Skillibeng tour van was indeed damaged.
I don't know about the box down thing. They said if that was... Well, I seen the van. I seen the van had the tires them stab up and some little dents in the van or whatsoever. Me see the van. You know, me see the van. So me know something happened to the van. Me don't know anything else after that. Cause me don't see no proof of anything after that. But me see the van. The van had flat tires. It had little dent in it and stuff. So me see that. You know, with my own eyes, so I can say something about that. But you know, the other thing I can't say nothing about.
He also confirmed that Skilly did not show up for some of the radio interviews.
If DJ Buck called you for WZMX, you would not go. So if busy radio or one of them call you, you have to go. You don't have to stay long. You know how much songs and artists and producer pirate radio bust when it was really going on? That's trending. He did refuse the radio. I don't think somebody explained what pirate radio really is to him. You understand? And that's why him not understand pirate radio, somebody in his ear saying pirate radio, I eat that thing. No.
Last clip we are going to look at is when Johnny Wonder gives some advice to some of the artists them. But he make it clear, say, I don't necessarily Skillibeng him attack still. So I'm not going to say a Skillibeng him attack, but what he said can definitely applies to Skillibeng and in the whole situation what really go on. Listen to what Johnny Wonder.
Spend the bus. What I said has nothing to do with Skilly. I'm just saying the rules of the road. Respect the city you're in. You understand? Respect the city you're in, whatever city you're in. Just respect the city. You don't forget this people. You don't come from there. Respect the city that you're in. You understand?
So people, let me know in the comment section what you think about everything. Do you think that Skillibeng get boxed down for true? You feel like management get boxed down? Why you feel say the whole box down argument even come a road? People, let me know in the comment section below. But me I leave you with these words of advice. Artists, no feel like say no bigger than forget box down. Not like say me I wish box down pan now, no. But as what Skillibeng manager Johnny Wonder said, respect the city you are in. Respect the people them. Respect your fans. And most of all, respect time. Alright? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section. And let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? One way and any other way are the wrong way. I'm gone.